Starting today, the new bathroom in our garage space gets plumbed. This will be a 2-day process. Here comes our plumber, Keaton, now. Who's here?
Hey, baby girl, come on.
Come see your friend.
Say hi.
Won't you come say hi?
Of course. I wouldn't have it any other way. Come here, baby.
She's a little worried about the flooring
You
and
don't
the
like that
holes.
flooring? I'll come over here. Come here. Are you being gun shy today? Hmm? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Yes. You start my day off right, huh? Yeah. Half-inch.
Pilot hole. Keaton's going underneath the crawl space to check things out. One of the less pleasant parts.
Thank you. Just let you know, just make me cry for the bad ones. When I don't know when you gonna love me? I'm tired of waiting patiently. God, I'm good sometimes. I put that hole right in the perfect spot. Just a guess, but we got her.
I knew you'd get it right the whole time.
I don't like to be wrong, so.
No.
Because I want to be down as far as possible so that I don't get up into this joist. So, but if I do that, then I gotta nick the bottom of that. I'd rather, before I start chopping up his joists and make him have to do work, you know, it's like, let's try to get around that first. Whoa. Okay, that's gonna clear.
Got it.
We're not in the concrete. Is that concrete or wood?
That was quicker.
Yeah. Better angle now.
Woo. Turn on the fans. Do you see light?
I see light. Right. Nice. I just burned my drill out.
Really?
Yep. Yeah.
Bingo.
Girlie in heavy rotation, I'll be on your station. The best way to do this is going to be I can read your mind, lose control. Sweet. Okay, then I'm gonna have to Okay, so 23, 21-inch piece right there.
Getting warm in here. Certain amount of art and science.
And a little bit more of some other crap too. You know, when I was, the jobs like this and stuff really make me think of my instructor.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he was just, he was such a wonderful teacher. He was a really good teacher. He not only taught you, he profiled you. He knew how to teach everybody. You know, I have learning disabilities, and I'm very in my head, between my ears type of guy. You know, I probably would have never have passed my test without him. Just, you know, because one of the things that I always used to get mad at him for was like, why don't you ever just explain to me what I'm supposed to do here? And he'd always say things like, Keaton, I know it doesn't make any sense, but when it makes sense, it's going to make perfect sense. And I never got it as an apprentice. But once I got to being a journeyman and I was out here doing my own work, it was this stuff. Huh. Can you do what I've taught you in all kinds of different environments? If you get stuck on what you think you know, you're lost. You've got to be able to think out of the box, brother. You know? It was like, oh, okay, I get it now, man, I get it.
And this is a small box.
This is a very small box, and it's even harder to stick stuff in a small box.